Hello UiPath experts. In this video, we will learn about the project called Notary Service. Redirect to the botsDNA.com and in the Ginger project, you can find the Notary Service project. This Ginger is a package. So within that, you can just click on the Notary Service. So in this Notary Service, you can just simply download the Excel. I'm downloading the Excel to the desktop. Now let's open that Excel. What the robot has to do, robot has to loop each and every item from this Excel and pick the notary service. Paste here. Pick the area of practice. Place here. And as it is a Vijayanagaram district, select the Vijayanagaram here in the drop list. Click on the submit. It will generate the new transaction number. Copy the transaction number and paste corresponding to this space. The robot has to do for each and every record. For all these records, Vijayanagaram is the district, and for these records, Visakhapatnam is the district. So while you are filling these details, so you have to select the Visakhapatnam from the this district drop list. Like that, East Godavari, each district name is a yellow colored one. So it is a West Godavari district. So while you are filling these details, so you have to fill the West Godavari in this drop list. And also all the transaction numbers it has to be. That is basically the use case. You have to complete this use case. So if you just simply click on this, so this will just explain about the step-by-step process, how it has to do in UiPath. Thank you very much for watching.